how to transfer Amazon gift card balance to another account. So if you want to transfer Amazon gift card balance to another account, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your browser. After opening your browser, you need to search for Amazon. And once you're on your Amazon, you just need simply go with www.amazon.com. But as you know that Amazon has prohibited the transfer of Amazon gift card balance to another account where but there are a few ways. So you just need to simply go with the customer service, which is on the top of your screen. Then once you click on customer service here, you will have a lot of options. So here, as you can see that you will have payment, charges, or gift card. So you need to click on that option and you will have three steps. So the first one is you need to pick what you need help with. So select the option of problem with a gift card and then go with applied to wrong account. And here, as you can see that it says Amazon.com gift cards can be transferred to another account once the claim code has been redeemed. For more information, go with help page. So you need to go with I need more help. And you will have two options. One is chat with us, and the other one is request a phone call. You can go and request a phone call and ask the customer service and how you can transfer the Amazon gift card balance to another account. Or if you don't want to go with the call, you can go with chat with us and then start chatting. Click on start chatting and it will take you to the next interface where you'll be able to send some messages to the Amazon customer service and you'll get some answers to your questions. So that's how you can fix your problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.